To connect a broker to MetaTrader 5, you need to have a trading account with a broker that supports MetaTrader 5. First, open MetaTrader 5 and click on File, then click on Login to Trade Account. In the Login window, click on New Account and then click on Scan. MetaTrader 5 will then search for available servers and display a list of brokers. Select your broker from the list and click Next. Enter your account number and password, and then click Finish. If your broker is not in the list, you can manually enter the server name, account number, and password. You can find the server name in your broker's website or by contacting their support team. Once you have entered the required information, click Finish to connect to your broker. If the connection is successful, you will see your account information and balance in the terminal window. To verify the connection, you can check the Navigator window for available trading instruments and the Market Watch window for real-time quotes. You can also open a new chart and check for real-time data. It is essential to ensure that your internet connection is stable and that your broker's server is available to maintain a successful connection. Additionally, make sure that your MetaTrader 5 platform is updated to the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues. By following these steps, you can easily connect your broker to MetaTrader 5 and start trading. Always remember to keep your account information and password secure to prevent unauthorized access to your trading account.